Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Pandosa, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, this is not a how-to, this is not a tutorial. This is just some footage I had and I wanted to post it for you guys. This is a mushroom pixie cut, but guys, in this video I am cutting dry, so stick around if you want to see me cut dry, which I never do. The hair that I am using in this video, I really don't like. I explained that to my model. It's not that I don't really like it, it's just that I'm not really used to it, and it's not, well, I'll explain more in the video, but you guys will see why I don't like it that much. But I worked it out in the end, so you guys stick around and see how it came out. So what's up to all the handlers? How's it going? And I would like to say welcome to all the new handlers. And if you're new here, my name is Alicia Pandosa, and what I do on my channel is tutorials, how-tos, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, just hit the subscribe button and we'll love on you over here, okay? Mwah! Now I am flat ironing the pieces. I know a lot of stylists do that, which the reason why I don't really do it when I'm doing styles is because I'm going to wet down the hair anyway and the hair becomes straight. But these tracks were so thick and so full, the curl was so defined. This is one of the reasons why I don't like the hair, guys. It was just so thick. So yeah, I actually ended up flat ironing some of the pieces. And if you see me using any thin pieces, it's actually pieces that I already had that were already straight, so I added them with pieces that she came with in her pack. And I will try to add, not try, but I will add the name of the hair that she brought in the description, guys. If you want to do like a quick weave, a flat style short, I think that hair will probably be too thick. I mean, it's nice and full. If you're willing to like sit there and flat iron out all the pieces, that's fine. But I will be leaving the name of the hair in the description. And I am using 30-second Pro Salon Pro glue. It's the best glue. It sticks fast. I love it, guys. So if you're gonna buy glue, make sure to get the Salon Pro 30-second. They have the regular one, but I noticed that the regular one does not stick as good as the 30-second. So grab that at your closest beauty supply, guys. So if you guys can now notice, this is the reason why I do not like this hair originally, because it's just so thick and puffy. I don't like it, but stay till the end, guys. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel because I really worked it out. I didn't really want to like do this video. I didn't even want to like post this video, but I'm like, you know what? Good or bad, I'm just gonna show it. And I actually liked how it came out. She did too, but I didn't really put in the work and get the footage that I wanted. And this is why the video is the way it is. But I have enough footage for you guys, so stick around till the end and leave me a like, guys. You know, just leave me a like just for effort. Now it's time to cut this baby, so let's work it out. As you guys can see, it's very puffy, not what I'm used to. I decided not to wet it down because I didn't want it to lose the curl, and I didn't want, you know, she bought it with the curl, so I didn't want to take away from what she wanted, so I worked with her. You know, I'm not just gonna do anything that I want to do and not please the model. So yeah, that's why I didn't wet it down. So here we go, guys. Just watch. Leave me a like. Comment if you have any questions. And I'm working on something really nice for you guys. So just be patient and you guys are going to be satisfied down the line. Trust me. I got some heat coming, so you guys make sure you're subscribed and make sure those notifications are on, so every time I post a new video, you guys will know. So I'm just going to be working this out between my razor and my shears, so you guys stick around and just watch. I'm not going to really say anything anymore until we probably get to the end, but I want you guys to really stay tuned because I got some heat for you guys coming up, all right? So love you guys, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. stayed till the end, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I lost a lot of footage out of this video. But leave an E in the comment section below for effort, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.